Hi, I'm Brian.
I'm Michelle.
And we are cruising with the Colemans. And we are coming to you from the Lake of Dreams Campground in Merrill, Michigan.
We're here for the M23 Michigan Meetup. This is our third year here and we absolutely love coming here. We have a blast. We've met so many amazing people. We host cocktail hour on Friday night, so if you want to invite us to a meetup, we will be happy to host cocktail hour at your meetup.
I'm Lori.
I'm Corey.
And we're the Northwoods RV Life.
Where's your favorite place to camp in Michigan?
Mackinac.
Definitely there.
Mackinac. Do you have a particular campground you love?
KOA.
Hello, my name is Charlie Grace with Charlie Grace Adventures, and I love to camp in Michigan. One of my favorite places is the Munising Tourist Park in Munising, Michigan, of course, in the Upper Peninsula. That's not like the hand, that's like the other little finger up here.
Susie, a travel around Susie.
Awesome. And what is your favorite place to camp in Michigan?
Leota.
And where specifically in Leota? Anywhere?
Nope, just on state land. Absolutely free, out in the middle of nowhere.
Fantastic.
My name is Sue.
I'm Merton, and our channel name is Traveling Merton and Sue.
Excellent. And where is your favorite place to camp in Michigan?
So far here,
Actually,
Lake
right
of
here,
Dreams.
it's the only place we've ever camped in Michigan, and we love the state. It's fantastic.
It's so pretty, it really is.
And you're going to continue on in Michigan too.
We're going to stay and see some foliage.
We're looking at the foliage changing, so we're thinking we might want to hang around for another few days, you know. We just retired, we went full time, and this is our first week, and I'm just getting used to chilling out.
Your first week full time!
I've always had to go to work all the time, and I don't know what to do, so I'm just going to chill out, you know? I don't know, you know, it's crazy.
Tell me your name and your channel name.
I knew it when I came in here. Hey, I'm Captain Jack Scrapper, and the YouTube name is Captain Jack Scrapper.
And where's your favorite place to camp in Michigan?
Well, right now it's right here.
Any other places you love?
I like the beach over there by Grand Haven.
Excellent.
It's fantastic.
Having a great time at M23?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
As always. Are your neighbors okay?
Oh yeah.
Oh good. Hey, that's us.
I forgot. Didn't even know you were there.
Tammy.
And I'm Jeff, and we are the Gypsy and the Vanilla Gorilla.
Excellent. And where's your favorite place to camp in Michigan?
Where have we camped in Michigan so far?
I liked the one by the vineyard.
And what was that called? I don't remember either.
That's okay. I'll broaden it out. Where's your favorite place to camp?
In our backyard, honestly. In the woods somewhere.
In the woods.
Nowhere specific.
No, probably our most favorite would have been like in Tennessee, the Smokies.
Oh yes.
Primitive, like very, you know, out there.
Oh yeah, we love camping out in the Smokies. These guys had a raffle, participated in the raffle, and I won her plant, and it is going to go perfectly in our guest bedroom.
Oh, good.
Thank you,
Wonderful.
guys.
I'm Barbara.
I'm Ricky.
We're RV Underway.
And our favorite place is Mackinac Island. And we camped at Mill Creek Camping.
And we highly recommend it.
Highly recommend it.
Tell me everything about yourself. No, I'm just kidding. Tell me your name.
957. My name is Lance. I'm from Boondocking with Boomer.
And where's your favorite place to camp in Michigan?
Oh, in Michigan. Right here where I am right now.
There you go. Do you know where you are?
No, where am I?
Lake of Dreams Campground?
Oh, yeah, Lake of Dreams Campground.
My name is Susan from New Horizons with Tucker, my husband Jim. And actually one of the favorite places we found to camp is on the Outer Banks in North Carolina. It's right along close to the ocean. We love that.
Robert, Traveling Robert.
And where's your favorite place in Michigan to camp?
To camp?
In Michigan. Got one?
I'll go St. Ignace so I can take the ferry to Mackinac Island.
Oh, good one.
My name is Kenneth Oakes. My channel name is Boardman, aka Kenneth Oakes. And my favorite place to camp would be probably Lake of Dreams Campground at the in Merrill, Michigan.
Yes. I'm Kevin.
I'm Betsy.
And who are you?
Dan Vita.
Who are you?
She taught me.
All right.
Oh, you're gonna be shy. That's
She's
Piper.
shy now.
That's Viper. Okay. And your channel?
Channel is Where Are We Staying?
And favorite place to camp in Michigan?
I think we have to just say Lake of Dreams Campground.
Absolutely. Located in?
Merrill, Michigan.
Cheers.
Yeah.
Dirt
Tenhoff, D-I-R-K space T-E-N space H-A-A-F. That's my YouTube channel.
We'll link it.
Cool. So, my favorite place to camp is Silver Lake, which is right on Lake Michigan by Mears, Michigan.
Plus, and I'm a supporter, and my favorite place is right here.
Mike Land, and Mike Land's Spoiled Mama, and my favorite place to camp in Michigan is right here in Merrill at Lake of Dreams.
I'm Star McNally. I am with Weird Adventures, and my favorite place to camp that I've found so far is Canal Campground in Grand Rivers, land between the lakes, Kentucky.
Nice. My name is Mario from Off-Grid Adventure, and my favorite place was the Upper Peninsula.
My name is Tim. More bang for your buck. So this is my third time here, so this is my favorite place.
Steve, and so far this place because it's the only place that I know.
Hi, I'm RV Rebel Girl, and
your name?
Your name is Carolyn.
Okay, Carolyn.
My name is Carolyn, and I found this really neat place to camp for free in Michigan. It's in one of the smallest towns. They give you electric even, and I did a video on it like 2 years ago, and it's in the city of Coleman. C-O-L-E-M-A-N.
I've biked there. I know where that is.
Yes, and it's a little park, and the pastor's one of the pastor's kids lives right across the street. All those kids, they come over to my camp, and they came and played with my dog, and I was there for like 3 or 4 days, and I called the number, and the lady said, well, how long do you want to stay?
Oh, you're like, how long will you let me?
And it's free. That's what I said, how long will you let me? So I think I stayed 3 days, but besides my friends' houses, I have a friend who has 3 different homes with family here. That's my favorite place in Michigan to camp.
I'm Gigi.
Hi, Gigi. Where are you from, Gigi?
From all over the world.
Oh, beautiful.
I'm like a social butterfly.
And where's your favorite place to camp?
The Lake of Dreams.
Nice.
Thank you.
V, aka call me V. And favorite place to camp? Sorry, you have to go to top of Michigan, cross on over, and you'll find Manitoulin Island. Best place to camp.
Awesome.
Hi, I'm Justin from Justin and Christina's RV Van Life, and I would say Lake of Dreams as well.
Awesome. How's cocktail hour going?
I just ordered a toilet water. Do you want me to tell you? Want me to tell you?
Yeah, I want to hear it. On camera, an honest review.
Ready?
How is toilet water?
Let me try just a little bit.
Hey, you got a floater. I got a sinker.
Hey, but
Sandy.
Troy. I'm camp maintenance guy. It's our channel.
We'll link it right here. And your favorite place to camp outside of Michigan? How about that?
We don't ever get outside of Michigan.
Favorite place to camp in Michigan?
Okay, Lake of Dreams.
What do you do for a living?
Work at Lake of Dreams.
Camp maintenance guy.
Exactly.
My name is Georgianne Rose, and my favorite place in Michigan, it's the only place I've been, is Lake of Dreams.
Awesome. And are you having a great time at the meetup?
Oh, it's fantastic. This will be my second year.
Second year? All right, you came back.
I did.
How's cocktail hour?
Oh, awesome.
Michelle, are you tired?
I'm exhausted.
Man, these meetups are a lot of work. They're a lot of fun, but wow, these people party like you wouldn't believe up here in Michigan.
I mean, if you're camping, that's what you're doing. It has been an outstanding weekend. I cannot tell you, first of all, the weather, let alone the people, the weather has been absolutely perfect, especially up here in September in Michigan. It's been wonderful.
And if you want to come to the M23 meetup next year, it'll be called the M24 meetup.
But you can find it at MichiganMeetup.com, and we'll link it in the description below.
See you for our next adventure.